Some people might say that it's in our nature to be this way, for the strong to try to dominate the weak or ones they might feel as inferior. But I, for one, think if this is in our nature, it's part of our nature, we need to change. Every face you see up here on the board is a child or teenager who committed suicide due to bullying or some kind of discrimination. But the number of pictures up here pales in comparison to the 4,400 suicides per year, half of which have to do with bullying, according to bullingstatistics.org. It says that bully victims are 2 to 9 times more likely to commit suicide than non-victims, according to a study at Yale. And 30% of students are victims of bullies. ABC News says that 160,000 kids stay home every day for fear of bullying at school. Each face up here was a child, a person just like you or me with hopes and dreams, and if given the chance, could one day achieve those dreams and become everything they wanted to be, but they're gone now. And all they've left behind is heartache. There's parents that will never have peace, wondering what there's something they could have done to change. There's siblings who no longer have the person they looked up to or admired so much. Friends and family, so many people are impacted so much by the loss of these people. And these people thought, honestly, that it didn't matter at all if they were alive or dead. We can look back on history and see a lot of tragedies and accidents that had to relate with bullying. The first reported bullying, according to xtimeline.com, was in 1862, and since then it's only escalated to the point where in 1981, the first anti-bullying law was proposed. Since then, there's been countless cases of suicides and horrific school shootings, much like the Columbine High School Massacre of 1999. There's many, sorry, I thought I would keep living. There's many types of bullying. There's physical and verbal, which is obviously physical would be any kind of physical contact, hitting, kicking, and verbal would be name calling or any kind of rude remarks like that. There's also indirect, which has to deal with a lot of high school bullying. It's excluding others from groups, spreading rumors, anything like that. There's intimidation, using threats or anything like that to make someone do what you want to do. And the most popular bullying today is cyberbullying, which is responsible for 52% of bullying reports. There's lots of things people can do to stop bullying. There's several movements that are dedicated to doing anything they can to reduce hate or spread awareness in schools. One such movement is called Not in Our Town, which works to connect people standing up to hate and prejudice or any kind of discrimination in their communities. You can follow them on Facebook and Twitter, and you can also sign up your community to be a Not in Our Town group. It also has a lot to do with what you do on a day-to-day basis. How you treat people in your everyday environment, like classmates, co-workers. Just, you never know what, how you treat someone could affect their day. You don't know what anyone's going through. And a big thing is for anyone who has children now or plans to have children someday, you have a massive impact on the kind of person they're going to become. What are they going to learn from you? What kind of person are they going to be from your teaching? I hope to be a shining example of love and tolerance. I hope all of you do too. Thank you.